ओके सो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक गाइस। आज के वीडियो में पहले से कुछ प्लान नहीं है। लेट्स सी क्या होता है। बस बहुत दिन से मैं कोई वीडियो अपलोड नहीं कर रहा था और ऐसे फील हो रहा था कि आई शुड अपलोड समथिंग एंड सो बस यही आई थॉट दैट टुडे इज़ रक्षाबंधन एंड और आज अभी हमारी एक हफ्ते से ऑनलाइन क्लास भी स्टार्ट हो गई है। तो उसमें ही मैं बताऊंगा कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कैसे होती हैं और क्या सीन होता है सब। And let's see how the thing goes. So, see you guys. Hello, so I've come inside and now the time is around 7:30. So yesterday night I have downloaded one software called Media Encoder, Adobe Media Encoder, because from past recent days I was working on Adobe Illustrator and After Effects. So after creating my first project on After Effects, I realized that I needed Media Encoder to export the video to MP4 quality, and it will be high quality but small size. So I will now install it and let's see if it works or not. So yeah. Okay, so I've installed the software and it's working perfectly fine, but I'm not sure because I've not exported any video because I don't know how to do it. I've just tried to add my previous After Effects project to this and it was added, but I don't know how to export. So I will watch some tutorial of GFX Mentor or some YouTuber and I will export, and I am thinking that it is working perfectly fine. So yeah, first task is done. Now I will like to show you um like in this lockdown we all appreciated Sonu Sood for its great initiative and how he helped people. So I would like to share how you can also be how you can also contribute and be like Sonu Sood. And eh, today is Raksha Bandhan and everyone, all of us will be celebrating it, and you must have got Rakhi from all your sisters. So but there are many people who are not able to celebrate it because of uh, the issues which are going on presently, like the flood in Bihar and Assam, the pandemic and many other things, and people are losing their jobs, so it's hard for some people to celebrate this festival. So I can show you how you can also donate or do any kind of help to those people directly, not from some government or private agency. It's totally a non-profit organization. So I will show you how you can also do that. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so now we have come to the website. So this is the website which I was talking about. So it's a totally non-profit organization. So here you can donate to the people and contribute your side, the people who actually need. So this is the way you can donate. This is all the steps are given here. It's very simple, and so just follow the steps and you can donate from your side. And here you can choose if you're youth, so you can choose youth for impact. And yeah, the same thing goes. I will now donate uh, how much it's possible by me, whatever I have saved till now. So yeah, I should recommend all of you to contribute from your side. Okay, so now the time is 9:57 and my second class for the day from 10 to 11 is going to start. I had one class before 8 to 9, but today is Raksha Bandhan, so it was cancelled. So we have all the classes from 10. So now I will try to show you how we log into our class and how the thing goes. Okay, so this is my Windows Home, Google Chrome home screen. So here I search ums.lpo.in. So this is the portal where we have to click for my class. So already my username and password has been saved, so I do not have to enter it again. So I will just click on sign in. So this is where we have to click for the class. So like here you can see from 8 to 9 there was a class, but it was not held because of Raksha Bandhan. And this is where it's showing from 10 to 11. I have my class cap 208, so I will click on it, and here you can see it's showing all the details, and here I will press join. And here is asking for the option that should I, for the mic I will choose listen only. And yeah, so I'm logging to my class, and the class is already started, and we will now have our class. Okay, so class just got over, and I have my next class at 1 to 2. Okay, so now the time is 2 p.m. and my second class for the day is over. Now I have my next class at 5 p.m. 5 to 6 p.m. I have my last lecture for the day. So till that time I have a lot of time. So soon I will be shifting to Kolkata. My dad got transferred to Kolkata, so he will be going by 31st August, and we will be going after him. So for that I have to pack my computer. So yeah, I think that I will be doing that now. First I have to take all the data out of my computer and copy it into my laptop. Then I can pack my computer, and I will be not requiring it afterwards that. Okay, so now the time is 3:12, and I've just got done with my interview. So the interview was Isaac in Jalandhar. From our local community, we are going to recruit new members for the next term. So yeah, I applied for organizing committee vice president for marketing, and the interview went well. Let's see what the results are. And yeah, it was fun and it was great. So yeah, so done with my interview, and the results will be announced by tonight. So let's see that at the time I'm recording this or editing this video. If we get the result, I will definitely add that into this video. And I was copying the things from the computer, and soon I will be going to start packing. So yeah, that's it. So now the time is around 6 5 or 10. I've just completed my last lecture, which was of English, and now I've come to my terrace, and it really feels nice to be here in the evening time because there is not much of noise, and simultaneously there is some good and fresh air. And yeah, so I feel good in the evening when I come to terrace. So yeah, see you after some time. Okay, so now the time is 11:30, and nothing much happened after evening, and I'm now editing the video, and results are not announced yet of my interview. Maybe they are going to announce it tomorrow. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and see you guys in the next video.